Hi folks, Handyman Dan coming to you again here, doing some outside work today. Today we have some hedges to trim, first cut of the season, and we have our handy dandy Milwaukee 2627 hedge trimmer. Again, this is an electric tool. It has, I'm using my 9.0 high demand battery, although you can use a lower amperage battery, but it's simple as this, folks. You just put it right in there, click it in, and you're ready to go. Okay, so being the first cut of the season here, we just have a little bit to take off the top here. We don't want to cut too deep into this until the bushes regain their growth for the year. With this tool, we can use a battery. There's plenty to go here. This battery will really last a long time, so you really don't have to worry about that. You can actually use a lower amperage battery. But what we're going to do here is we're just going to take some off the top here and just kind of shaping these up a little bit, and then we're going to work on the other side as well. When we're sitting on the porch here, it's nice to be able to see over, so we're just going to take some off the top here. So that's a start. You can see it goes very easy here, very quiet. No hassle with this, no gas, no oil. We used to go that direction, but definitely go the electric direction. We're going to cut across the front here, just kind of try to shape these up a little bit. You want to kind of go just slowly here and take little by little. It's kind of like cut the person's hair. You don't want to take too much because it doesn't come back very quickly, as you can see. Hey folks, we got it all finished up here. We got a nice even cut across the top, along the sides here, and you can see it's even across with the other bushes. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.